So when we talk about the use of a single-use diamond, why do we do that? Or a single-use carbide, why do we do it? Because number one, it's a sterile instrument. You know, in schools today, that's what they're teaching the students, is they open up an individual pack, they use that burr, and it's gone. They're finished with it when they finish with that patient. Think about it. You use cotton rolls only once, you use needles only once. There's so many things that we only use one time that we don't sterilize. There's no reason to sterilize a $2 instrument that's best when it's sharp and it's got all the diamond tips on it. That's when you get the best result with it. So it's sterile, it's sharp, and think about it. When you have to take a diamond instrument and you sterilize it, it's clogged with debris from the last time you prepped that tooth. Then it goes through the sterilization machine and you don't get everything out of there, so that material is baked in there, so the diamonds will not cut as well the second, third, and fourth time. So that's why we're buying single-use diamonds nowadays.